In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to bring an image forward using Wix, a popular website building platform. This skill can come in handy, especially when you want to layer images or when you wish to highlight a particular image over others. So, let's get into it. Our very first task involves selecting the image you wish to move. You may be wondering, how do you do that? It's simple. You just need to click on the image by using your computer's mouse or touchpad. This step is vital before you can proceed with any image modifications or adjustments. So ensure you've selected the image you desire to bring to the forefront before moving ahead. Once you've chosen your image, the next step is pretty straightforward and involves a command which we call right-click. When you right-click your image, a context menu is usually unveiled. Are you wondering what a context menu is? It's just a type of menu in a graphical user interface of a computer that appears upon user interaction, such as a right-click of your mouse. It offers you a list of choices that are available in the immediate context, hence the name Context Menu. At this juncture, you'll notice that our previously selected image is still highlighted. The menu that has appeared when you right-clicked your image will display several options. You'll see one of these labeled as Arrange. You'll want to move your mouse pointer over this option labeled Arrange. In the process of doing this, you will notice a submenu will appear. This submenu gives you a variety of options on how to arrange or modify the appearance of your image. Now, let's focus on the submenu that pops up when you hover over Arrange. There are a couple of options to choose from that might confuse you. Two essential options for our task are Bring to Front and Move Forward. Bring to Front is a command that, when executed, will immediately jolt your image to the front of everything else on your Wix page. Consider this when you wish to bring your image in front of all other elements on your page instantly. On the other hand, the Move Forward command moves your selected image upward one layer at a time. It allows you to gradually move the image forward, layer by layer, so that you can reach just the right layering for your image. We've covered a lot here today, from right-clicking, hovering over menus, to using commands like Bring to Front and Move Forward. Now you can bravely venture forth and bring those images forward or in your Wix site, making them stand out just the way you want them to. Let's keep creating those fantastic Wix visuals.